Alright, we are at some building on Granville Island in Vancouver. I forgot the name, don't know the name of it. But there's UpLift Vancouver here. And we are going to ride the elevator, and look what kind it is. It's a Montgomery G&P.
So I think 60s or 70s, I'm not sure.
Let's get a cab view. Green cab. Let's go to 2. ADA phone, but non-ADA height.
Yes, that bumper's original.
Yeah.
No indicator.
Yeah, no indicator. On 2. Always watch this. The way it will go. It's got a bumper.
Push the button. Of course we like that.
Of course we do, yeah. Whoa. Drop. There's UpLift Vancouver here. Let's get a view the other side of the cab. Alright, we're gonna go back up to 2. Here we go. It's got a nice sounding motor.
We'll end it up top.
I'm gonna try a more time. Do one more ride. Yeah, we'll end it up top.
Oh, no delayed start, that's a good thing.
Yeah.
Typical of these older installations, for the most part.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna let's wait for the door to close and then I'll push 2. That's your open button. Alright, let's wait for it to shut. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa. Rather interesting motor.
Yeah.
There's your call station up here. And anyways, there it goes. That's gonna be it.